Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Anytime Buddy. If you are visiting to my channel for the first time, please like, subscribe and press the notification bell button. In this video we will discuss about how to earn money from home jobs without investment. We will talk about work from home. By using this method, you can earn a lot of money while sitting at home and at no cost. Yes, you can do this work from your computer, and the best part is that if you don't have a computer, you can do it from your phone. This work is for two large companies, and all you have to do is copy and paste to earn anywhere between 1 lakh and 10 lakh rupees per month. These two large companies are known as Amazon and Flipkart. Yes, both of these companies are providing you with copy-paste work. However, I will explain how. Both of these companies sell goods all over India, and they require a lot of marketing to sell those goods. If you sell their goods, you will receive a lot of commission, which varies depending on the item. This is referred to as affiliate marketing. For affiliate marketing, you have to visit these companies' websites and create your affiliate account for free. You will find many videos on YouTube for how to create an affiliate account. To create an affiliate account on Amazon and Flipkart, the links of both the companies are given below. Link to open affiliate accounts is given below and in the description.
Thank you, all the best.